Hello and welcome back to Glam Tones. It is His and Hers Friday. We are going to make a dark academia look using these components. We're going to put it on these tips, at least the hers. Although, you know, if you're the his that likes to have long pointy nails, I love that. If you're the they that likes long pointy nails, I love that. You do you, boo. So we are going to go ahead and paint 3 of these a solid color. And then the other 2, we're going to do a triple ombre using all 3 of the colors that we are putting on these tips. So we've got that real pretty kind of camel color. Then we've got that gorgeous wine color, and it's sort of a muted wine. And then this beautiful mauve-y color. It's almost got the same tones as, no, not almost. It's definitely got the same tones as that wine color, but it's toned down to a mauve. Now we are going to go ahead and ombre all 3 of those together in one gorgeous nail. I absolutely love how this ombre turned out, even though I tried to use the fan. You're going to see in a minute. Let me just shut up. Let me just shut up right now. But all 3 of these together make a beautiful ombre. I'm absolutely thrilled with how they came out. Now I'm going to start right now by trying to use the fan brush. Well, let me tell you, that did not work out so well. Here we go. No, it's not really ombreing. I'm not sure if part of it is that this is a thicker polish, or that I'm doing a triple ombre, or what the problem was. But no, we're not gonna do that. We're gonna come in with my little ombre brush that I made on my own by cutting most of the bristles off this little art brush. Much better. Look at how beautiful that blend is coming out. Just up and down, up and down. Let's go ahead and do a second coat, because I know you like to see the full ombre. So we're gonna go ahead and lay down our colors again. And you can see how well all 3 of these colors make the perfect ombre. I think it's gorgeous, guys, gorgeous. These are Model 1's colors, and they're the ones that are in the little white square bottles, not the ones with the wood tops. The ones that come in the little sets, like I've got the Garden Party set and the Retro Lady set, I think is the other one I have. My TV is on, but I'm not really watching anything, of course, while I do this. Okay, on the one pinky nail with the camel color, I just wanted to do some glitter, and I thought this brown glitter was pretty. I thought that the glitter was more gold, but it's not, guys. It's literally not. But what is gold is the rest of the components we're gonna use. So I wish it was more gold, but it's a lot more silver. I don't know why I'm shaking that. Oh, I think to show you how it shines in the light, but it's too fast to show you that right now. So anyway, my TV is on, and it's just scrolling through things to get you to watch them, and the movie Gothica just popped up. Have y'all seen that movie? I really love it. It's a very good movie. I know the critics didn't like it that much, but you know what? I did like it. I thought it was really good. So if you've not seen it and you can get it, I recommend it. It's kind of creepy and mysterious, but I wouldn't call it scary. So we're gonna go ahead and take this argyle pattern, and I did cut it in half because I don't want to fill the whole nail. I just want to come down the side as an accent to make it real pretty. Clearly I'm struggling, but here we go. I'm getting it exactly where I want it. And because it's a stiletto, you've got to really line it up in the middle and not pay attention as much to the side, because you want it to come down straight, or at least that's the look I was going for. Now we're going to lay down the other half of that and do it on the opposite side of the other ombre nail. And I really love how that argyle pattern looks on top of the ombre. All the colors just really look pretty with it. So I thought the ombre was going to be the best choice, and I don't think I was wrong. I think it came out super pretty. Now after the water dries, because it is a water decal, come in with some base coat, because that way you're going to be positive that your decal isn't going to shift or slide off, and it just will help smooth everything out. And then once it is cured, I'm going to come in and cut off any extra, and then I'm just going to come in also with a little file and clean it all up. And I do a second, I did a second base coat on top of that as well, but I didn't show it. Now these water decals are just some little swirly things, and I thought they would look real pretty, because when I looked up the dark academia look, I saw some swirls and some pretty deep woods with swirls in it, and just a lot of gold details and accents and deep, rich, earthy colors. So that's how I'm going to go ahead and interpret the dark academia. I mean, I could have done plaid for plaid skirts and white for schoolgirl shirts and whatnot, but I just decided that we would represent the colors and the emotion of the aesthetic and not try to be too on the nose with it. I mean, we do have our argyle, so that's giving us sweater vibes. We've got the gold, so that's giving us the dark, I don't know, what's a better word? The dark scholarly vibes. Ooh, I love it. Okay, so I really think that this is giving us the academic look. So this is how it would look shiny. If you like it shiny, this is how it would look. But what we're gonna do is a matte top coat. I think it turned out perfect with a matte top coat. You will have to let me know. This is the shiny look, and we did do the pinky shiny so the glitter would sparkle. But I really like it as a matte set. I think it suits the vibe perfectly. Now let's go ahead and decorate real quickly the guy's set, or whoever would want to wear the shorter set. Everyone has their own personal aesthetic. If you respond to the short set, wear the shorter set. If you respond to the long set, wear the longer set. If you and your partner, or you and your friend, or you and your mom, or you and your dad want to wear nails that match, and you like the dark academic look, I think this might be the set for you. I really love how they came out. Now I'm not doing the triple ombre here. I'm keeping it a little more to the wine and camel colors on this one. Although one of the nails, and you're going to see I'm making a little mistake. You're going to see it in just a second. I'm only going to do that mauve-y color on one of the nails. And it's not even going to end up being the perfectly true mauve color, because right here, I am accidentally going to lay down the wine color. And then just as I was about to finish it, like right here, I'm realizing what I've done wrong. So instead of taking it off, what I decided to do was just grab the mauve color, put it on top. I've not even cured this. I'm just pulling the color through, and I kind of like how it came out. It's sort of halfway between the wine color and the mauve color, so I'm really not upset about it. And I do actually continue with the mauve color on top for the second coat, so it ends up being a little more true to the mauve color, but it's still got that wine vibe underneath it. Now the ombre on this one, and please remember to clean your brush often when you're doing ombres like this. I'm doing a very messy ombre on the shorter set. I just liked how it felt with the shorter, more square tips. I thought it looked so cute. Now on the decorations on this one, I really just cut the very edges of the argyles off, so you're just getting a hint of that vibe. And I am only putting a swirl on the ring finger, and I'm sorry I dipped out of frame there. And then we are going to also give this a matte coat treatment. I decided to not do any glitter on the shorter set, just to give the longer set its own little separate vibe with that glitter. But you could absolutely do a glitter nail on this as well. So it definitely would just be a matter of your preference and what you wanted your set to look like. But I just figured if you wanted a shorter set in the first place, maybe you wanted it to be a little more sedate, because this set is definitely still got the same vibe as the stiletto set, but it's got that vibe in a more quiet way. So I decided to leave out the glitter. There you go. So we're gonna go ahead and cure this one for a full 60 seconds. And then guys, this is the finished result. I love how it came out, and I like how the gold is still catching the light, even though it is a matte top coat. And I think it really is nailing that dark academic look with the ombres, the colors, the gold. I really love it, and I'm super pleased with how it came out. Let me know what you think in the comment section. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.